Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? My name is Filipina and welcome to Mom Shifeli's Garden. So today I'm going to share with you an easy steps on how to make this old picture frame into a beautiful succulent planter. So these are the materials that we need. Of course, your frame, the old frame, and chicken wire, and this is backing board. If you don't have this, you can use plywood, but what I did, I covered it with plastic. Then wood for housing. You'll need scissor, of course, drill or a screwdriver if you don't have the drill, hammer, and nails and screws. And of course we needed this very important, the cuttings and the soil mixture. So now we're gonna assemble the housing. So to staple the chicken wire, we'll be needing the stapler. Now, tapos na nating i-stapler. Naka-attach na yung chicken wire. And it's time to attach the housing. Now, you might be wondering bakit open dito, why it's open here. Kasi this will be for watering purposes. Mas madali yung didiligan yung succulent nyo. Kasi it will look like this. So dito nyo didiligan sa top. So ngayon, I'm gonna attach this one, this frame, to the housing using the nail. A little bit challenging here. So, kakabit na natin. I'm just using small nail para hindi mag-crack yung ating frame. There. So now it's time to attach the backing board, or if you have plywood. So ready na siyang taniman. Our planter is ready. So first, I'm gonna put soil. This is getting exciting. By the way guys, you might need stick kasi yung pag-poke para mamaya pag nagtanim na kayo. So, here it is. So guys, I'm using this paper bag, or you can use old magazines or old newspaper to block the opening so you don't spill the soil. Here comes the exciting part. Magtanim na tayo. It's time to plant. So, sky's the limit. Use your imagination kung anong design ang gusto nyo. Create your own style. Whatever you want. Whatever style you want to achieve. Your arrangement. Go for it. Feel free to add the soil. If you think that it needs more soil, then add more soil. free to do so. Meant to be. Tingnan nyo to, ang cute. Tingnan natin, dito siya. Lagay ko siya dito sa taas. Kaya pakita ko po sa inyo yung close up, ha. Make sure na wala itong bugs or anything. Wala. Kaya ko nilagay ito and then this one here kasi mga hanging yun eh. So pag tumubo siya, ngayon ang tendency niya kasi ihahang ko ito eh. So at least pwede ko siyang pahabain ng konti and then just trim it. Yun na lang yung technique. And all of this mostly are hanging. Ito. So ayan, kaya ko yan nilagay dyan kasi yung maghahang siya. So guys, this one I decided to tatanggalin ko to kasi lumalaki to eh. So matatakpan niya yun yung details nitong aking ibang design. Kaya I'm gonna chain it with this tiny one. Ganda, no? So ayan na. Palitan na natin siya. So this side here, medyo kailangan ng soil kasi maliit lang yung ipapalit natin na halaman. So yan yung nasa gitna. Yan yung nasa gitna niya. Yan, hopefully we'll do well dyan. Lagyan natin ng konting soil. Yan. So ito naman, hahanapan ko siya ng spot. Tapusin na po natin ito. Tapos na. Malapit na. Look at this rosette. Ganda. So, put it here. We have it. Then one more there. And that's it. Tapos na po. Ito na yung last one. Finally. Tapos na ang ating project. So, sisik ko lang siya. Yan. This is the hen and chick that I propagated from my last vlog. Dito ko po siya tinanim. Look at this. Yan siya. Gagawin ko po, hindi ko muna siya gagalawin dito sa table. Put it in the side, in the shaded area for 6 weeks lang. Making sure na rooted na siya before ihang. So there you have it. This is our finished product. And this is our way of recycling our old frames and turning it into a beautiful succulent planter. Sana po may natutunan po kayo today at sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko today. At huwag niyo po kakalimutan, please subscribe to my channel para po updated kayo sa future videos na i-upload ko po. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Keep safe.